Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Techer. In this video, I'm going to check the OTG pendrive test or two-in-one pendrive test in the Mi Note 10 Lite Type-C pendrive, as you can see. So this is a pendrive which has a two-side, one side USB and one side Type-C. So nowadays, few of the phones don't have the expandable memory, and this kind of pendrive is very useful in terms of transferring the data. And in this video I'll be demonstrating whether the phone actually do support or not. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using exactly in the Mi Note 10 Lite, you can check the playlist as well. So everything will be in the playlist, all the videos on Mi Note 10 Lite in one playlist. Even is a Redmi Note 9 as well, so there's a playlist. So don't forget to check the wallpaper playlist, so there you can find this application. So if you want to download the application, so you need to follow me in the Instagram and Telegram. So in the Telegram, I'll be posting all the APKs for plenty of applications. So don't forget to join in the Telegram as well. And let's get started with the OTG Type-C pendrive test in the Mi Note 10 Lite. And once you connect, let's check you need to enable any option before connecting or not. So right now it's connected, and as soon as you connected, you'll get this notification icon on the top. And right now the Type-C pendrive is successfully connected, so you no need to enable any other option. So in the Realme phones, you need to enable the option for the OTG, but in the Mi Note 10 Lite, there is no such option to be enabled before using. So as you can see, as soon as you tap, it will take you to the pendrive data, pendrive memory. And let me open storage here. So as you can see, right now I am in the USB storage, and let me select one of the video which is playing. So as you can see, right now I am playing the video as well. Here you can see there is a 4K video directly from pendrive I am trying to play here, and which is playing very smooth without any problem, even when I fast forward as well. As you can see, the display of the Mi Note 10 Lite is very good, which is very amazing. So I did this plenty of videos on the display comparison, so don't forget to subscribe and check the links in description as well. So you can check out this video which I did comparison with the Realme X2 and even Redmi Note 9 for other phones as well in terms of the display. So definitely do subscribe to my channel if you are planning to buy this mobile phone. So that's it for this video. And overall, the OTG Type-C pendrive is definitely supporting in the Mi Note 10 Lite without any problem. And don't forget to check the playlist for the wallpapers. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.